hello at Scarlet House, by the way. So hopefully we get a spot. We did not get this spot. So walking down the same stairs, we have landed up at 1:45. But again, our table is not confirmed. We made it. We ordered the stuffed naan. We ordered one sushi, the veg sushi. They just had one option. Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is a girls night out vlog. Me and my best friends are going for dinner tonight, and of course I had to vlog it just like I vlog most of my outings with my friends. And I'm just wearing like a very basic white tee, but it's actually from a brand called Wasabi. They sent me this. They have like a cool print on the back, and I just thought of pairing it up with some gold jewelry, some necklaces, chains, then earrings, gold earrings, and these rings as well. And I'm waiting for my friends to come. So they're gonna come midway, and then I'm gonna pick them up, and then we go for dinner. And like always, we love exploring good restaurants in Bandra, because Bandra always has some or the other new and amazing restaurant coming in. And we thought of going to this new Italian place called Pomodoro. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. The thing is, it's the newest hype in town and in Bandra, and that's why there usually is a long line. That's what I've heard. But let's see, we're trying to reach early. It's already 7. We're hoping to leave by 7:30, 7:45, so that we can make it there. And also parking is a huge deal in Bandra, so you have to find parking first, and then we have to go in, and then we have to also get a spot. I don't know if they take reservations, but on Zomato we couldn't find reservations, so we're just gonna go and see, because I'm very excited to have like the yummy Italian food. But if we don't get a spot there instantly, there are a lot of other like nice places in and around Bandra. There's the Scarlet House, and Bandra has so many cool cafes and restaurants that we'll definitely find something or the other. But our first priority is Pomodoro for some yummy Italian food. Also, iPhone battery is literally so bad. I just charged my phone sometime back, and it's already at a 64%. I mean, I think it's my bad also. I use my phone a little too much, but I have to charge it before I leave. So let me charge the phone, and when I leave, I will show you all my fit in the lift like I always do. Fit check in my very patchy mirror, and this is the book Icebreaker that I've carried to give Matangi. And the light is less. There's less lighting right now in the lift, but so excited for a good girls' night. Hello, say hello.
You didn't do any.
Y'all don't need an introduction.
Walk and let's go.
I filmed my first.
Why are we going this side? Is this side?
This side.
No, from there there's rope.
Oh god, the chaos has begun. Okay guys, so as I told y'all, I think I said that I think Pomodoro, there's a chance we might not get to go.
It is so hurtful.
And we are not going.
We are going daytime.
Next time we'll go daytime, yeah.
We are going at 4 o'clock.
Because there's a 2-hour waiting. Please open a bigger place, na? Because that's only open just now, like a month ago. But that's crazy. Like there's a huge line, 2 hours waiting, so there's no chance we're waiting. And I'll show you all the line. Can you all see? This is the line.
Should we ask again?
Yeah, you asking again will not change the luck. I think it's better to. So I was like, let's go to Gigi. We were getting a spot. But this girl is like, I'm not going like this to Gigi, and she was not agreeing. We booked a table also, but she is like, no.
Gigi, we are going dressed up only.
I think this was the gully we went last time.
Matangi?
Is this the gully?
My map is not loading. Wait.
Achha, her map is not loading, but basically, oh my god, the Bandra noise is the real raw Bandra vlog. But we are now, thinking that we should go to Scarlet House. I think, bro, we can see this is the gully. I think we can go like this. Remember last time we were walking from this gully only?
Sure now.
No, remember last time we were walking from a gully only?
I don't remember, but yeah, it's this only. Good.
So now,
good guess.
Yeah, yes, it was a right guess. We're going from this gully.
How do you remember coming from this gully?
I remember.
So out of everyone, Rashi is remembering directions.
Yeah, you are remembering directions. Because I'm not that good at directions, that's why they're saying this. Guys, so this is a very cool hat that Matangi is. Whatever I have, I bought on Amazon. Yeah. So if you put this, it sticks to any place and you can film easily. This is basically just us going through the Bandra gullies and finding a cafe again. Every time the same story. Only the outfits change, the people are the same, the story is the same. And we are basically trying to find Scarlet House, which I think is right around the corner.
You should be careful.
We are going to cross Vanilla Meal, I think, which is like a breakfast place, so we're not going to go there. We are still walking and trying to find the spot. But the thing is not finding the spot. The thing is hopefully finding a table and getting a table at Scarlet House. so that we don't have to search for more restaurants.
But there are more cafes in Bangalore. I'm so
But
hungry.
we are very hungry. It's like 8:30 at night and we're really hungry. So this is the Sabco. This is the Sabco Mini. I can show it to y'all. That is Sabco Mini. So I think I'm showing the same places I showed last time. Did I show you all these places? But you all can watch it again. So last time we came, this road was not proper, like just last month. But now it's all done, and that's Scarlet House, by the way. So hopefully we get a spot. The guard outside said reservation मुश्किल है, but आप ऊपर जाके पता कर सकते हो. So we're trying to find out. Let's see. Hopefully we get a table. We did not get the spot. So walking down the same stairs because they said there's no option. I mean there's no table. It's too full, and the way to reserve is via DM, which is a very weird way of reservation via DM. Like I mean, it's not the most normal way. Okay, so now we have landed up at 1:45, but again our table is not confirmed. We have to go inside and check. We made it finally. So we ordered the stuffed naan. We ordered one sushi, the veg sushi. They just had one option in veg and non-veg, also one option, and then one sushi option. And that's it. We ordered like 2 starters and we ordered a drink. So one mojito, and she ordered some mango based some drink, cooler.
I am the snack.
And we are so hungry, like literally so hungry. Hi.
She was just talking with this
Video not recording, yeah, the recording off.
How smart. What a
I
wonderful
should start
vlogger.
recording, yeah, for you.
This is not on.
But anyways, we had dinner. We had dinner at 1:45 Bandra. Finally, we got a spot somewhere.
I know, right?
And
Welcome
too much
us
noise.
graciously.
Yeah, they welcomed us graciously and told us that before 10:30 we'll have to go.
But no, it's fine.
It's fine. We got to sit. We got a spot. But also, there's a lot of honking noise. But this is a raw Bandra vlog. We again came back near Scarlet House, took a few pictures, made a reel which will be up on my Instagram before you all see this video. And now we're walking back to my car to go home. And how was the evening? How was the dinner? We didn't spend too much time this time with each other.
We did so much.
But we did a lot. We were just walking. Oh my god, we're again looking for the maps to see where the car's parked. So it's really funny, but Matangi is always in charge of like maps and is really good. But this time we've been better than Matangi. You all can tell the night's over when both of them have tied a pony now. Matangi wants to go home. Her parents are calling her. That's why she's not giving me an outro, Mahika. See you all soon.
Bye, see you.
There's no
Bye.
outro. There's no.
Opening.
Are you open? There's a child lock, I think, to that.
Why have you kept child lock here?
It happens by mistake.
Sitting behind.
Yeah. Bye guys. See you all soon. Bye. So my mom and my daddy are not home and it's a Sunday morning. So that's why my dad is in charge of the coffee, the food for me and my grandfather. Hopefully it's tasty.
It's going to be amazing.
The coffee is ready. This is like my most favorite part of the day where I'm just sitting and having my cup of coffee, no disturbance. I don't like to talk to anybody during this time. But yeah, my dad's done a pretty good job. He's made coffee for me a couple of times in the last week and he's always done a pretty good job with it. I had my coffee and now I was just watching the race, F1 race. Oh my god. The McLarens came first and second, and I've begun to really love Lando Norris. I really like him now, so I'm really happy about that. But my favorite, Carlos, Susan Williams, actually came 13th, which I don't like. And I actually really love watching F1 and the races. For this season, I bought the full season pass on FanCode, so I'm really excited and looking forward to all the races this year. Now it's time for lunch. Nothing makes me happier than khichdi, papad, kadhi, and there's some bhindi fry. And I'm going to dive right into it because this is literally my comfort meal. Okay, I have absolutely no idea where I ended the last clip of this vlog because this video, I mean like the night out with my friends in the sense of dinner, was 2.5 weeks ago, I think. And then I went for the trip with my office people, and that's the vlog that I ended up posting. Since the dinner clips were not that much, I thought of continuing to vlog in bits and pieces, but then I'm like, you know what, let me just post this vlog now because I end up just forgetting vlogging for this particular vlog. So let me just end this vlog on a good note and then maybe start another week in my life kind of a vlog. But today is actually a couple of days after I shot the last clip, whatever that is, which I'll get to know when I'm editing the video. Today I had to go back to college because I was getting an award, and then I went to get my nails removed because I mean the gel nail polish has been on my nails for almost 2 months now, and which is like a really long time, and I was like, it's high time I get it like removed. And when I was actually coming back, I saw this really awesome place which had opened up in Matunga, and usually in Matunga there aren't really like cool cafes as such like you have in Bandra. You have really traditional South Indian food and things like that. So I was like, wait, from the outside it looked so aesthetic. I was like, what is this? That too in Matunga. And I was like, I have to go in and check it out. It was right next to the nails place. So I went there and I put a picture, and it is like, I don't think it's actually even open to the public fully. There is like taking a few customers here and there. And yeah, that was how today was. And this vlog was basically just me going out for dinner with my friends and us trying so hard to find a food spot. And then I think I showed a couple of other things that I was doing and then cut to today. And that is it for the video. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video, and if you all did, you all know the drill. Guys, I'm literally 9 subscribers away from 1K. Please make me hit it very, very soon. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye.